Okay, so our points are these. Now we get the rise and the run. What's the rise? The rise goes from this y-coordinate to this y-coordinate, right? If we go from left to right, it goes from here to here. So it's the rise from at squared plus bt plus c to a times t plus delta t quantity squared plus b times the quantity t plus delta t plus c. And that means we just subtract this coordinate from this coordinate. So it's going to be this minus this. Okay? And the run, well, the run goes from t to t plus delta t, right? So the slope is and that is a formula for the slope, no matter what parabola you have, and no matter what point, what 2 points, what point and what delta t you want to use, what t and what delta t you want to use. Now, of course, this numerator simplifies a lot. How are you going to simplify the numerator? Because it's going to be, for homework, I'm going to ask you to kind of process this idea, okay? So, what are you going to do to simplify this? Very quickly, because we're out of time. What's the first thing you're going to do? I would start at the beginning with this term right here. What are you going to do with this term? You're going to use the distributive law, not superstition, to square t plus delta t, right? And multiply all that by a. You're going to get three terms. It's going to be t squared plus 2t delta t plus delta t squared. And then you're going to distribute b through here, right? And you got a c here. And then you're going to find that, well, from this one you do have an at squared, and you're going to be able to subtract this at squared. And here you're going to have a bt, among other things. You're going to be able to subtract that. You're going to be able to subtract the c. And then you're just going to have a couple of terms left over. And they all have delta t's in them, so you're going to be able to divide the numerator by delta t, and you're going to get something pretty simple. Okay? And we'll pick up on there next time.